Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can turn your photo into football looks, so into football player looks. Okay, go to open Capcut and then select a new project and select your photo that you want to edit. So I already have one photo here. Just click on the clip and select style button. Okay, you can select style button and just swipe to the right until you find the football style. Just click on it to applying. So style applied, and you can see and your photo has been changed to the football player looks. Okay, just it. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.